Hello there, my name's Brendan and this is DevLog 5 for Bloobs Adventure Idle. So in this week, let's go over the updates that have happened since the Shop and Tools update. So since the Shop and Tools update, let's just have a look down here. We have our new Bloob character, which was designed by Raven, and the link is down in the description. So this is commissioned work. I've rigged up all the animator, so in different states, or depending on which direction he goes, the character will change the animation. So I'm very impressed with this. More custom art like this will come in the future. But I am the solo developer, solo funding everything, so things like this will take time. Now I'm going to pop on over to the new shops and show the new tools that have been added to the game. So now we're back over to the first shop that I added into the game. There's Nigel tools. So now he has an array of tools. So he's got the bronze axe, iron, steel, mithril, adamant, rune, and orichalcite, and the same with the pickaxes. Now, if we hover over in the inventory, we can see that we have tooltips to this. So it tells us our total value and our required level. And the same with the fishing rods and the same with the pickaxes. So you hover over it, tells us this information. The value in the shop, this is your buy price, is different than the value that you get back. It's normally half and half. So if we head over here now, we've got a new building, which is the fishing building. So we go to Nad's Rods, and we can see that we have rods here. So if we click this, and we can buy it. And basically, when we start a skill, so with the bronze pickaxe, I'm going to update this later, so the tooltip shows. But if we start mining copper, it will get the mining progress value that's set on the pickaxe itself and apply that basically to the skill. So each tier of tools has a better mining progress. That's how I designed that system. So regarding the shops, well, I would just have a walk around. You've seen the shops just in the last update. The shop icons were a little blurry. That's basically an error to me, not choosing point no filter on the images themselves. We've talked about the tooltips, they've already all been added. Now, the dexterity system, which is for the run energy system, now works based on the tiles traveled. So your run energy depletes a lot slower than it did before. And when you level up, your run energy replenishment rate will go up. Now, I want to go down to the south side of the island. So let's pop over to there and I'll show you what's been added. So now if we come down to the south side of the island, you can see there's a bridge that comes over to a big island. Now this is the big test island, I'm calling it. And it is pretty big. You see I'm zoomed all the way out. And we have some new trees. So we've got some teak trees, we've got some maple trees, we've got some new ores, some silver ore, some mithril, some adamants. Over here we should have some gold, and we should have some luminous ore. We have some eucalyptus trees. Now these all work on the same system as before. You can either go find them or start the skill and then go pick basically which ore tree fish you want to basically go and target. We have some rune ore, we have some acacia trees. Now this island is pretty basic at the moment because I'm building a new map. And also working on the combat system. So we've got some orichalcite over here as well, just scattered around. And I missed a tile there. There's always one or two. So let's go over to the new fishing area. Okay, so now we're at the new fishing area. Basically, this update, I wanted the players to be able to do more than go to level 20. So if we pop over certain areas, we can see that we have catfish, which is a level 58 requirement, lobster, which is level 50, we have salmon, which is level 30, clownfish, which is 40, and then these areas don't have anything yet. So this update, I mainly wanted to, it was more about polishing, giving more tools to the player, giving more things to do, basically, and getting the new Bloob character in. Now, currently, I'm just going to go over some things that I'm working on over the Christmas. So this DevLog will come out shortly. Well, you'll be seeing it live soon, and now. Basically, over Christmas, I'm working on the combat system, which is going to be bare bones at the start, but have all the big systems in place, which I can expand on. So I like to call it I call it the Lego system. So when I build things, I build them like Lego. So I basically place all the building blocks first and then add two, because you have your foundations. You have to make sure your foundation is right first, and then keep adding and adding onto it until it becomes a full-fledged system. It's like every skill that's in the game will also get iterated upon, but the core always remains the same, foundation always remains the same. So I'm really happy with the progress that's been made so far. We are just over 2 months into development, and I've never done anything like this before, and I've been learning Unity and just basically anything to do with game dev for around 6 months. So this is going to be it for this one. It's a short and sweet one. I just wanted to basically let everyone know what's going on. You can go and play the game live on itch now if you want to. Another thing, I did update some inventory icons just because the logs were slightly clipping over to the left and it was irritating me. Now all these new items do have values and things like that. Every new ore has the new ore icons instead. So I sorted that out as well. So anyway, guys, if you like the video, leave a like. If you want to follow along the journey, subscribe. And you can always join the Discord, have a chat to me, see what's going on there, some sneak peeks at the combat update. And if you just generally want to test the game without doing any of that, go and play it on itch.io. I appreciate everything. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.